So this is the image I'm going to use. So the first thing we need to do is to scale up the layer. So select the move tool, check the transform controls, and now if you want to scale it from the center, hold the Alt key and then scale it from one of the handles. So here it is. I think I'm going to place it here. And now I'm going to create a new layer. Click on this icon. And then left click here, select the paint bucket tool. Make sure the foreground color is white. And now left click. And now place the white background layer under the person layer. Select the person layer. And now left click here. Select the rectangle. And now I'm going to create my shapes. So I'm going to first of all create one shape here, one rectangle. And now if you want to control the corner radius, you can either use here or use the small points here, dots here. Just left click, hold, and then just drag. So here if I drag it to the right, it will make it 0. If I drag it to the left, so here it is. So I think I'm going to leave it here, and now select the move tool. And now I'm going to place it here. And now right click on the shape here and then duplicate it. And now place it under this one here like this. And then right click, duplicate again. So I'm going to create 4 shapes. And then right click, duplicate. And now select the top layer, the top shape layer. Hold the shift key and then select this one here to select all shapes. So left click on the top layer, hold the shift key. So here it is, we have selected all the layers. And now we are still on the move tool, left click here, make sure the align is relative to the canvas. And now let's center them. And now we're going to align them. So left click here, equal gaps. And now I'm going to merge these layers, right click, merge layers. And now if I place my cursor here, I can rotate the layer, the shapes. And now I'm going to scale it down from this handle. So I want to cover the woman's face. So I think I'm going to leave it here and now click on this icon here to confirm. And now I'm going to place the shape layer under the person layer. Select the person layer, this one here, right click on it and then select clip in mask. So this will clip the layer according to the layer under it, this shape layer. And now if you want to add some styling here, so I'm just going to select the shape layer, not the person, the shape. Right click, select blend the options. And now let's add the slight drop shadow, left click on drop shadow, so here it is. And now just press OK.